Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to use YouTube's live streaming feature using Xsplit. Xsplit is a Windows software tool that is compatible with YouTube and allows you to live stream using YouTube. So what I'm going to want to do here is go to my channel. See here I'm already logged in. You're going to need a YouTube account for this, clearly. Go to my Creator Studio. Hit live streaming, and as you can see right now, my stream is currently offline. And before you can do anything and before you can stream, you're going to have to set up encoding software, which is my Xsplit broadcaster. And once you give it that information on Xsplit, you're going to be able to start live streaming. So here we're going to go to Xsplit. We're going to go to Outputs, and here what you do is you authorize your account. So what you would do if this wasn't already set up is set up a new output and go to YouTube Live. And then once you've authorized your account using your account's name and password, you will then be able to click here and initiate your stream. So here you can change the title. So I'm going to change the title to how to live stream on YouTube using Xsplit software. You can do tags, description, anything you really want to do here. This is the free version, so we're not going to be getting the best quality here. And go ahead and hit start your broadcast. So from here we are currently streaming. We're streaming live. And from here what we're going to want to do is screen capture. So here now you can see that it has changed and we've been streaming now for 13 seconds. In this case, I'm going to show you how, let's say you were playing a game. In this instance, I'm going to be using League of Legends. So I have that open up right now. You go to Sources, Screen Capture, and here you can see that it highlights what window that you want to capture. So if I were to go out here, it would capture everything outside of this window here. But in here, you can see that it highlights the League of Legends client. So here, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now we are currently looking at the League of Legends client. And anything I do from here, and from here on out, I will be, the people who are watching your stream will be able to see and hear everything that you're doing. And the nice thing about this software also is that you can do multiple scenes. So here I can collapse out of the League of Legends client, and I could, if I wanted to, do more options for screen capture and switch between scenes as I see fit. So once you are complete, once you've done your stream, maybe you've done everything that you want to do, all you have to do is click on this again. So I went to Outputs and clicked on my YouTube live stream and hit it again, and you will see that our stream is now completely offline. And YouTube automatically saves and uploads your live streams for you, so you don't have to worry about doing that. You can set this up so it doesn't do that, but if you wanted to, that is an option of something that you could do. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial on how to use YouTube's live streaming software. I hope you learned something today, and have a great day.